Hi, it's Paul Kirwan here, and I'm really excited to tell you about my new book, Time to Breed, which is now available to buy on Amazon as an ebook, which you can download onto your Kindle, phone or tablet, or as a paperback book. The book is a follow-on to the 3-part nature series which I filmed here in Ireland during the COVID-19 lockdown, and it explores the flora and fauna, or plants and animals, of the woodland area, the garden and the river. And it also looks at the connection between nature and mindfulness, and how I use that connection during difficult times in my life. So if you have any interest in nature, or if you'd like to learn about planning, establishing and maintaining an organic vegetable garden, well then this book is for you. So if you'd like to know more, or if you'd like to purchase the book, please click the links below, and I hope you enjoy reading the book as much as I enjoyed writing it. Thank you.